March 20, 2013. Mount Lokon in Empung city of North Sulawesi province, erupted again spewing 2,000-meter high ash plume. Volcano's Tompaluan crater had erupted with loud bangs, which led neighboring residents to leave their homes in shock and crowd the Manado main road as well as roads in Kakasgasan to witness the eruption.
March 5th, 2013, prophecy from June 21st, 2012. The Lord reveals what appears to be twin volcanoes. They appear to be in close proximity or erupt not long after the other, emitting fumes, gas, and ash. An earthquake appears to be involved as well.